Hello and welcome to the channel and welcome to another video of cryptocurrency. Just yesterday, I did a video about PayPal connecting and building relationship with cryptocurrency, and they said this: today we are announcing the launch of a new service that will enable customers to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrency directly from their PayPal account. Now, this was announced Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. And I want to do another video to really explain exactly what this means. So if you're not in this space, this could be a really good opportunity at least do your research with. Or if you already know about cryptocurrency, you can start really preparing what's going to happen in the future. Now, my name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. So this is the video that PayPal put out on Twitter, and it basically talks about buy, selling, and holding cryptocurrency. And it definitely did something to the market. So when it did was, it really skyrocketed the market a little bit higher. So Bitcoin right here is up $13,000, and it was around the 12,000 range yesterday morning before this move broke. And now you see the global crypto market cap is $397 billion. That's going to more likely get $400 billion in the next day or so. That's the way I see it, where this market's going. And you see Bitcoin, it says $13,000, and the 7-day moving average is up 14%. And just, 24 hours is almost 2%. Ethereum is also doing very well. It's at $417, and it's up 5% the last 24 hours. And 7-day moving average is 10%. It's up 10%. So I'm just breaking down some of the numbers with you of the most popular cryptocurrency that is going to be used on PayPal: buy, sell, and hold. And also Bitcoin Cash is going to be on there as well. That's going to be used. And as well, it's going to be Litecoin. Litecoin's also up 4%. Now, I do believe XRP, possibly Chainlink, and some other ones later on will be used on the PayPal wallet, but not yet. Not yet. Just those 4 major ones that you see right here. I'll show you once again. It's going to be the 4 ones. It's going to be those 4 there. Those 4 here: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and you have Ethereum and Litecoin. Now, when I was doing more research about this announcement, I was wondering, is this good for everybody? And, when I saw this article, it said literally this. It says PayPal's crypto move a game changer for Bitcoin, which I believe it is. And I think it will be really good for the whole cryptocurrency market. It's very high volatile. It definitely has some things in there that really makes it go up and down. And so that's something you got to be very aware of, the volatility of this market. Some experts really think that it may not be a good idea, and I want to go ahead and break that news down to you. It says this. It says, but the move might do little to drag existing cryptocurrencies out of the niche in payments, according to many fintech specialists, as holders of such coins often view them as an investment asset akin to gold rather than as a means of spending. So they're really thinking that maybe in the long run that may not be good for the market. It's one of those things we got to wait and see, continue doing your research on other coins, other cryptocurrency. But I do think for Bitcoin, it is going to be good in the long term. I really do believe it's going to do that. And you already see here, the market's already going up right now. I do understand its volatility. Yes, it goes up and down, but right now it's up. And I really believe that it's going to continue going up throughout the rest of the year. So, more to the article that I was looking at, this person said this: I think more about PayPal being smart and looking to the future when fiat currencies will go digital, which is very smart. PayPal is already thinking ahead. So they're thinking, okay, the actually fiat currency is going to go digital. So we need to go ahead and move fast in terms of digital assets, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. He said, I don't think it makes much difference for Bitcoin. And then this is the news that dropped yesterday, which is really, I think, is good news. Once again, it's one of those things we have to wait and see how everything lines up. But this is positive news. It's not bad news. This is actually positive news. This is what broke out yesterday. PayPal said on Wednesday it would allow U.S. account holders to hold cryptocurrencies and shop them at its 26 million merchants. The California-based company plans to expand the service to Venmo is peer-to-peer payment app popular with younger consumers, which is really smart, by the first half of next year. So they're already targeting a younger audience with this new app, peer-to-peer payment app, which I think is a good idea and really would connect with young buyers and young users as well. So PayPal is already looking and thinking of the future, and I really, really believe this is really, really good. And also, I like this here. The shift makes PayPal one of the largest companies globally to give consumers access to cryptocurrencies and send Bitcoin's price soaring to its highest level in over a year. And that's what I think, though, because what's going to happen is once this gets announced and more people are using the PayPal app to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and even Litecoin, that will send the price. That has the potential of sending the price up. And I really, really believe this really would do it. And I like this right here. This is really, really key. For regular people that have never heard of Bitcoin, the association between PayPal and Bitcoin, those are signals for Bitcoin being recognized as a digital asset that works. See, what's going to happen is people, the average Joe may not heard of Bitcoin, or they don't know what it does. They don't know what the utility, they don't know what its main purpose is. But once people start understanding what Bitcoin is, you're going to see more people is going to go ahead and purchase a Bitcoin. That's usually what happens. And that will help with the price. And then that may help with the other cryptocurrencies, just like on this list right here. So when more people are looking at Bitcoin, I can even refresh this page to see if there's been any difference. More people will start looking at some of these other cryptocurrencies. And that's what's happening now. With that news of PayPal connecting with cryptocurrency, it has definitely elevated some of these other cryptocurrencies. Yes, it's very volatile, but it could be a good thing long term. Long term. Short term, it seems to be okay. It's doing well. But long term, I think more positive news in cryptocurrency is good news. It's really, really good news over the overall market. And so this is more information. Remember this? Remember this? Robinhood and Square use Bitcoin for engagement. I don't know if you remember this. If you've done your research here, look at this. Robinhood and Square use Bitcoin. Robinhood and Square used Bitcoin for the engagement. And in Square, the payment company led by Twitter boss Jack Dorsey has been offering crypto buying and selling in its increasingly popular P2P payment app Cash since 2018. So the Square app, definitely person from Square, Jack Dorsey, he purchased a lot of Bitcoin not that long ago. So because he saw this coming. So guys, do your research when it comes to cryptocurrency and PayPal. I'm not really advising you to buy anything at all. I'm just giving you the news that is being broken up that is really, really good for the overall market. And look what it's doing already. So do your research on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink. Do your research on that and seeing where the market's going. And the good thing about that is it's still early enough where you can go ahead, get in the market before all the masses really start coming in, because they're coming. They're going to come in, and they're coming fast, because people don't want to be missed out. They were afraid of missing out on that opportunity. They call it FUD, the fear of missing out, that kind of thing. So people do not want to really, really miss out on opportunities. And good news is always good here. When it says this about PayPal, the cryptocurrency is going to be offered. I do think more will be offered later on. So my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video about the cryptocurrency news, digital asset with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other news. And don't forget, right below the video, you can sign up on your free account with Coinbase. I do have that set up for you, so you can go ahead and buy your free Kipcoin on Coinbase. And eventually I'll have something on PayPal. But once PayPal and cryptocurrency, when that starts to really develop, we'll have something with that as well. So click on the link below and stay tuned for more videos of the cryptocurrency news, digital asset with Bitcoin, and others. And I'll see you on the next video.